Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our June Allure Beauty box. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below so that you can check it out for yourself. There is also a link there. Use the link. That way you can get $10 off on your first box. How about that? Okay, so when we open the Allure Beauty box, right on the top, it says, "We know beauty best." Okay, now I'm sure you're familiar with the Allure magazine. Well, they are the creators of this box as well. So in addition to them being the creators of the magazine and the box, they also have a mini mag inside, okay? And this one gives you all the details about what is in the beauty box for this month, okay? Now, I will tell you the theme for the month of June is soak it all in, okay? So I'm pretty sure that means it's going to be some good stuff in this box. All right, now there are a couple other advertisements in here. The first is for the GQ box, all right, which is for the dad in your life, okay? And since June is that Father's Day month, there is some information in here so that you can get this particular box. All right, there is also a coupon in here for Face Reality, which is skincare. I'm here for that, and it gets you 20% off on your first kit. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so how about we just jump right in and see what came in this month's box? Well, the first item that we have, I remember actually sent us an email to let us know there was a product that you get to choose from, okay? And so let's just talk about this one. It's the Christopher Robin line, okay? Because it was so many different products. 1, 2, 3, actually 6 different products to choose from. And trust me, some went a whole lot faster than others. But the one that I have here is the Color Shield mask, okay, with camu berries. And it says it's vibrant, protected color and nurtured hair. That's what this one caters to. It is a 200 milliliter or 6.7 US fluid ounce size, all right? It has a 6-month shelf life, so make sure when you're ready to use it, that's when you open it, okay? But it smells so good. I can smell it through the tube. It smells really, really good, okay? And it says, Christopher Robin is known for hair care that's as effective as it is elegant. And these products leave hair looking healthier and smelling divine, okay? And as I said, this month, we got to choose one of several hydrating, nourishing options from the legendary hair care brand. Now, this particular one that I have, the manufacturer suggested retail price for it is $42, okay? So that one is item number 1. Then the next item that I have goes along with that coupon, okay? And this is by the company Face Reality, and it is a barrier balance creamy cleanser. And it says this cream cleanser refreshes complexions but does not leave skin feeling dry, tight, or worse yet, covered in a greasy film. It removes makeup and grime while making skin feel more hydrated and possibly even calmer than it was before. You can thank Centella Azteca. Okay, I'm sure I messed up that word, but that's as close as I could get. I apologize. Okay, but it says the Centella acid, that word, extract, and it's a large type of plant that helps heal and soothe. Here for that. Absolutely here for that. Okay, and this particular product is a cruelty-free and vegan product made in the USA, and it's a 6 fluid ounce size, and it is safe for all skin types. Okay, now I do not see an expiration date on here, but I'll go online and check and see. So the manufacturer suggested retail price for this, which is a full-size product, is $35. Okay, so let me tell you, between this product and the Christopher Robin product, we have already received 2 products that are 3 times the price of this box. Think about it, okay? Definitely worth the money. All right, so that one is item number 2. And moving right along, oh, I have this item. I used it on my eyes today, okay? And it is by Floss Beauty. And this one is the Rise Above Lengthening Mascara. And it says it's like any good duo. The inky formula and silicone wand work together perfectly to make lashes look dramatically longer, depositing mascara without clumps. Okay, we'd like to see Batman and Robin do that. Oh my God, really, y'all? Okay, now this one is a 0.35 ounce size, and it's actually the full size product. All right, and there is a coupon in the box, well, in this mini mag, so that you can get 15% off. Okay, so this is what the outside looks like, and let's just take it out so you can see. This is what the inside looks like. Okay, I'm definitely not opening this because, as I state, oh, I do have mine. So give me a second and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I did pull mine out so I can show you what the wand itself looks like. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $22. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this wand actually looks like. Can you see that? Okay. Can you see that? Okay. All right, it's wonderful. I absolutely love the look that it gives. It's very easy to apply and definitely without any clumps. Okay, so that one is item number 3. And trust me, we're right at $100 now. How about that? Okay, the next item that we have is by another company that I can really appreciate their products, and that is Earth Harbor. And this is the Tidal Rose Crystal Hydration Toner. All right, now it says that this one is the polar opposite of drying old school toner. This hydrating mist makes skin look dewy and feel smoother. Rose quartz infused rose water is meant to balance your energy while softening your skin. And one thing's for sure, the calming ritual of misting your way to dewy radiance sure makes us feel more zen. Okay, now this one is the full size product, which is 60 milliliters, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this one is $16. So give me a second, I'll show you exactly what it looks like. Okay, this is the inside packaging, okay, and it is plant-based. It's for all skin types, for daily use, and it is a small batch product. I love that. It's a cruelty-free product as well, with a 12-month shelf life. Now, the active ingredients in here are seaweed extract, rose water, white tea extract, and Persian lilac extract. Not bad, okay? So I'm pretty sure this is going to smell amazing. I am here for a good toner. I love the way it makes my skin feel, okay? So it also lets me know that this is a vegan product, allergy tested, carbon neutral, ethically sourced, and it's a woman-owned company. How about that? Okay, now we're almost to the end, almost. Okay, and the next item that we have is another great one. Okay, this is by the company Belief, and this is the True Cream Aqua Balm Moisturizer. Now, this one is a deluxe sample size, okay, and it is a 10 milliliter size that's here. However, this formula feels light going on, which has made it a staple in more than one Allure editor's summer skincare routine. Now, it also says, and when it sinks into the skin, it leaves it plump and hydrated. And even if you're sweating, you can still get your skin hydrated because this moisturizer seeps in rather than sitting on top of the skin. Okay, love that, love that. Now, if you were to get the full size, it would be $38, and that would be for a 50 milliliter size, which is actually 5 times larger than, let me show you what it actually looks like. This one right here. So it's actually 5 times larger than this. All right, now this one has a 12-month shelf life as well. It says it's clinically tested in controlled conditions of low temperature and high humidity. Okay, so they are really making sure that our skin is going to feel amazing this season. Okay, love, love, love that. Okay, and anyone who has ever used it, you understand what I'm talking about. Anyone that hasn't, you need to try it out. Now, there's also a coupon in the mini mag for this one as well. Okay, now we are down to the last item in this month's box. Okay, and what is that? It's this one right here, and this is Facet Ingrown Hair Bikini Patch. Okay, it says, as anyone with a razor or a standing wax appointment knows, ingrown hairs are an almost inevitable part of bikini area hair removal. Okay, it's as tempting though it may be to pick at them with a tweezer, it's not advisable as that can cause infection. These patches aim to extract ingrown hairs with mild chemical exfoliation using gentle lactic and azelaic acid. Okay, using gentle lactic and azelaic acids. Okay, now it says just wear the patch overnight for 6 to 8 hours, and remember that deep ingrown hairs may take a few sessions to remove. This, however, is a 6-pack, and this one is a sample. Okay, the full size would be 12 patches, and the price of that one would be $19.99. Okay, now it says this coupon that's in the mini mag, which gives you 20% off, is actually valid all summer long, right up to August the 30th. Okay, so if you'd like to try it out, if you've never heard it before, you know, now's a good time to do it, especially with 20% off. Okay, so it has, oh, it says it extracts and fades dark marks. How about that? Okay, not bad. So, you know, I'm going to ask you, what do you think? I am loving everything that was here in this box. Okay, why? Because it's true to what their theme is for the month. Soak it all in. Okay, we have moisturizers and toners and products for our hair, as well as making sure that we are on point for the summer. Okay, so let me know your thoughts down below. This was an amazing deal. Okay, $25, and we have well over $100 worth of products. Okay, not bad, not bad at all. All right, so I want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our Allure beauty box for the month of June. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer's suggested retail price for all of the full-size items that were included. Remember, we do have some deluxe samples, so that's not included in the total below. Okay, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. Okay, now share. Tell someone else about the Allure beauty box. Help them save some money. Okay, now most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.